Is your 2012 Toyota RAV4 blowing hot air instead of cold? Let's look at 5 common causes to get you back to comfort. Statistics show that over 70% of AC failures in this generation, RAV4, come down to basic refrigerant loss or a faulty relay. Before you head to the shop, let's run through a quick diagnostic process to rule out the easy stuff. Start by checking the magnetic clutch fuse and listening for that telltale click when you press the AC button. Low refrigerant, a burnt-out relay, or a damaged condenser are the most frequent offenders in the 2012 RAV4. If the system runs but the airflow is weak, check your cabin filter or the blend door actuator behind the dash. Swapping a relay is a 10-minute job, but internal compressor failure requires professional equipment and recovery tools. Costs vary wildly, from a $20 relay to nearly $1,000 for a full compressor assembly replacement. For deeper issues, use manifold gauges to check pressure or inject UV dye to track down those elusive system leaks. Keep a basic multimeter and a pressure gauge handy for your diagnostic work, and always wear eye protection. Remember, never force a refrigerant recharge if the compressor is already dead, as you could cause a dangerous pressure spike. Start with the easy electrical fixes first, and check back here if you need more help with your RAV4.